Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen and DJ Daffy. Tent stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Shilla. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627-83292 and 98628-23900.
Don't miss it.
The Indian Air Force Suryakiran Aerobatic team on Saturday had taken part in a flypast at various locations across the country to mark the 50th year of the 1971 war, or the Swarnim Vijay Varsh, wherein hundreds of Pakistani troops had surrendered, followed by the birth of Bangladesh. The Suryakiran Aerobatic team carried out a display at Umiam Lake on 4th December, wherein two flypasts were flown over the northeastern region of the country. This is scheduled to culminate at Lachit Ghat, Guwahati on the 12th of December 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking to your left as the team leader has given a change in the formation. Coming up next, embodying grace and force in the shape of the light combat aircraft, Flypasts. Look up and keep applauding as the team approaches from your left in the shape of the indigenous aircraft, Flypasts. Suryakiran's 1, 4 and 7 form the start of all the formations, whereas the even numbers 2, 6 and 8, that is well played and NJ, form the right wing, and the odd numbers 3, 5 and 9, or Atul, Dodo and Sun, form the left wing of the formations. If you look straight ahead, you can see the team has changed the formation into the international sign of peace. Ladies and gentlemen, a good round of applause for the team as they approach from your left, highlighting the score of Fatherhood at S3 Detour.
Flight Lieutenant Ridhima Gurung, while speaking to media persons, appreciated the beauty of Meghalaya and at the same time encouraged the youth of Meghalaya and the Northeast to join the esteemed Defence Forces.
Very good morning, first and foremost. Meghalaya, where the team has come for the first time in its 25 years. So we were made in the year 1996, the Suryakiran Aerobatic team. And it was such a beautiful opportunity to be here at Umiam Lake. It's such a beautiful place, and Meghalaya, of course, is known as the abode of clouds, where the clouds live. So it was a wonderful experience for the team to be here, for our 9 glinting aircraft to be here. And this was done towards the Swarnim Vijay Varsh of 50 years that have happened since the victory of 1971 war. So we are really privileged and glad to be here. And also one of the aims to be here was to motivate the youth of Meghalaya and Northeast to join the esteemed defence forces.